Setting up weighted grades in Canvas. The course navigation menu has a link to the assignments area. This area contains assignment groups and all graded assignments that have been created for the course. The assignment area is directly linked to the gradebook. For every assignment group, there is a group column in the gradebook. For every graded assignment, which includes quizzes, graded discussions, and assignments, there is a grading column in the gradebook. You must create a graded assignment to generate a column in the gradebook. To set up weighted grades, you create assignment groups. In this demonstration, I will be using the following information to create the assignment groups: activity and grade percentage, participation 10%, exams 20%, projects 50%, and group work 20%. Start by going to the assignments area. On the upper right, choose the three dots. Choose Assignment Groups Weight. Turn on Weighted Grading. Save. Change the group name Assignments to the first activity name. Choose the three dots in the group. Choose Edit. Highlight and change the name. Type in the grade percentage. Participation 10%. Save. Choose Plus Group. Type in the next activity, exams, and the percentage, 20%. Save. Add the next group, projects, 50%. Save. And add the last group, group work, 20%, and save. Now if you scroll down, you will see each of these groups has been added to your assignment area. If you go to your gradebook area and scroll to the far right, you will find that each of these groups has also been added to the gradebook. So these are cumulative columns for each graded percentage. Now that weighted grades are set up, make sure to place content items in the appropriate group. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping. Be aware of point differences between assignments. Although this is 10% of the grade, if you have an item that's twice as many points as another item, it has twice the value within the group.